Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Eharmony. Eharmony is the top dating site in US and in some other countries also. Eharmony was launched in 2000, so it's an old dating site, so it has lots and lots of users. There are millions of people of all ages, ethnicities, national origins and religions in this site. So you can use this to find a long-term love or just a casual relation. To sign up for this site, you have to go to eharmony.com and it will take you to the home page of Eharmony, which looks like this. You just start signing up from the home page. You just keep on answering the questions that the site gives you. So it's a long process to sign up to this website, but it's very useful because it asks lots of questions to know more about you. So here is the first question. I am a man looking for a woman. Enter your email ID and create a password for your account, and password must be at least 8 characters long with the mix of letters, numbers and special characters. And you can't use your email ID as a password, so choose a very strong password for your account so no one can hack into your account. After entering the password, click on join now, or you can join this site with the help of Facebook ID also. If you have a Facebook ID, you can just click on sign up with Facebook and it's very easy process. You don't have to answer so many questions about you. So if you don't have Facebook, or if you don't want to connect your Facebook account with this site, you can fill up all the questions. So now you have to click on join now. Now it's time for you to answer the questions that Eharmony presents to you, and click on continue in this page. If you want to read all the details that is presented to you by Eharmony, you can read it. And to sign up for Eharmony, it takes about 20 minutes to complete the quiz. So there are no right and wrong answers in this. You just choose the answers which you think suits you better. So these questions are directed to make a profile of you so you can get easy matches. So answer all the questions that Eharmony presents and click on continue. I just finished step 1 of the process, so it's a long process. Just keep on answering the questions that is presented to you and click on continue, clicking the answers and click on continue. That is all to register for Eharmony. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.